Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Rolls-Royce Wraith versus Rolls-Royce Dawn. The Wraith, a magnificent coupe, offers a dynamic driving experience with its powerful engine and sleek lines. Conversely, the Dawn, a stunning convertible, provides an unparalleled open-air journey, perfect for grand touring. Both vehicles embody ultimate luxury and bespoke craftsmanship, but their fundamental design philosophies cater to distinct desires. We will explore their unique attributes to help you decide which iconic Rolls-Royce best suits your lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Wraith truly shines with its 624 horsepower twin-turbo V12 engine, offering a more spirited and driver-focused experience. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The Dawn, while still incredibly potent, delivers 563 horsepower, prioritizing a smooth, effortless ride. Its focus is on serene, open-air cruising, making every journey feel like a grand occasion, rather than outright speed. Visually, the Wraith presents a bold, fastback silhouette, exuding power and sophistication. Its interior often features the iconic Starlight headliner, creating a celestial ambience. The Dawn, however, captivates with its elegant convertible lines, designed for effortless open-top motoring. Both cabins are sanctuaries of luxury, meticulously handcrafted with the finest leathers, woods, and metals. Personalization options are virtually limitless, ensuring each vehicle is a unique masterpiece tailored to its owner. In terms of practicality, the Wraith's fixed roof provides a more insulated and private cabin, ideal for all weather conditions. It offers a generous 470 cubic liters of boot space. The Dawn, with its sophisticated retractable soft top, transforms from a coupe to an open-top cruiser in just 22 seconds, at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize the dynamic privacy of a coupe or the exhilarating freedom of a convertible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.